Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Zoho CRM and prevent LinkedIn contact duplicates. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Zoho CRM, begin by logging into your Zoho account. Navigate to the settings menu, typically found in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled subscription. Click on it to view your current services and subscriptions. Locate Zoho CRM in your list of active services. Select the option to cancel or uninstall the service. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision to uninstall. After the uninstallation process is complete, exit your Zoho account. Next, let's address how to prevent LinkedIn contact duplicates. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the My Network section on your LinkedIn homepage. Click on Connections to see your current contacts. Look for the option to export your connections in a CSV format. Once exported, open the CSV file in a spreadsheet application. Review the contacts listed and identify any duplicates. Make a note of contacts that appear more than once. Before adding new contacts, check them against your existing list. To ensure there are no duplicates, use sorting or filtering features in your spreadsheet. Once you've cleaned your list, prepare to import it into Zoho CRM if desired. Keep in mind that using integration tools can automate this process. Consider using a third-party application to sync LinkedIn with Zoho CRM efficiently. Regularly check and clean your contact list to keep it organized. By following these steps, you can successfully uninstall Zoho CRM and maintain a duplicate-free LinkedIn contact list. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.